Hello dear students, in last video we had learned the name of our different body parts. Okay, so can you tell me the name of our different body parts? Yes, head, neck, arm, hand, knee, leg and the foot. These are the name of our different body parts. Okay, so today we are going to study the uses of these different body parts. So dear student, do you know all our body parts, all our body parts are very special and they are playing very special role in a body. मतलब हमारे जो बॉडी पार्ट्स है वो सब स्पेशल है. यस, एंड ऑल आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स आर वेरी यूजफुल. तो हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स से वो स्पेशल काम भी करते हैं. ओके, और उनका हमें यूज़ भी होता है. दैट वी विल स्टडी हियर. So our first body part is the head. Okay, so student, this is the head. Okay, so this is the head and our head include, और हमारे head पे क्या क्या है? So our head has hairs, eyes, ears, nose, lips and the mouth. Everyone is having these all organs on their head. So what is our head? So this is our head and our head has hair, eyes, ears, nose, lips and the mouth. Okay, and all these organs are also very useful to us. Okay, so now let's see the second use of a body part. So our second body part is a neck. This is a neck. Okay, so student, this neck joins the head. देखो सब लोग, जो हमारे नेक है उसके ऊपर हमारा हेड है. मीन्स a neck joins a head and to the rest of our body. So this neck, it joins to our head and the rest part of the body. मतलब हमारी जो neck है वो हमारे head को और बाकी की जो body है उसको joins करती है. So that is the use of our neck. Okay, so third body part is arm. Okay, what is this? Arm. See, this is a arm. Okay, this is the arm. So what are the use of our arm? So we have two arms. Yes, one and two. So what are the uses of our arm? So the arm help us to hold and carry things. Yes, so our arms help us to hold एंड कैरी थिंग. तो हम हमारे हाथों से क्या क्या करते हैं? हम थिंग्स को होल्ड करते हैं, पकड़ते हैं, कैरी करते हैं. लुक एट इन द पिक्चर. वन गर्ल, शी इज holding some glasses in the tray. Okay, and second girl, she hang her bag on her arm. तो उस गर्ल ने क्या किया है? सेकेंड, उसने उसकी जो बैग है वो उसके आर्म पे लगाई है. नाउ let's see the fourth body part, that is a hand. Okay, that is a hand. So this is a hand. So what is the use of our hand? Everyone knows. We will eat with our hand. Yes, we will write, we will do our homework with our hand, we will write our hand, we will hold the things with our hand. Yes, everyone is doing this. Yes, everyone is having two hands. Yes, two hands. So with these two hands we will write, we will hold the things, we will eat our food, we will comb our hair. Yes, so these are the uses of our hand. So the hand help us to write and hold things. See in the picture, the boy is completing his homework or writing something with his hand, and the girl, I think she is eating Maggie. She hold a bowl in her hand and she is eating Maggie nicely. Okay, so these are the uses of our hand. Now next body part is a leg. So do you know what are the uses of leg? All you are running, yes, all you are jumping. So can you run or jump without leg? No, we need a legs. Yes, we want, yes, so we will run and jump with a leg. Yes, so the leg help us to stand, walk and run. So the leg help us to stand, walk and run. तो हम लेग से क्या करते हैं? ये हमें लेग स्टैंड करने के लिए हेल्प करता है, वॉकिंग के लिए हेल्प करता है और रनिंग के लिए भी हेल्प करता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द different uses of this body part. Let's see the other uses of the body parts. Then next body part is a knee. So below our leg they are having a round shape body part that is called a knee. So the knee help us to bend our legs. तो नी से हम क्या करते हैं, हमारा जो लेग है वो बेंड होता है और दैट इज़ वाई वी कैन सीट ऑन द फ्लोर. जब हम हमारे जो लेग्स बेंड करते हैं तो उसकी वजह से हम ज़मीन पे बैठ सकते हैं. यस, द नी हेल्प अस टू बेंड आवर लेग्स वाइल सिटिंग, वॉकिंग एंड रनिंग. So look at in the picture, one girl is sitting on the mat. Yes, why she is sitting? Because of her knees. And one girl she is running. She then see her legs, their legs are bending. उसके लेग थोड़े से क्रॉस है. Why? Because of the knee. So the round part below our legs, that is called a knee. And last is the feet. Okay, feet. So the feet help us to stand up straight. We will stand on our feet. We will wear our shoes on feet. Yes, do you are wearing your school shoes on your feet? Yes. So the feet help us to stand up straight. There are 5 toes on each foot. Okay, so on our on our toes they are having how many toes? 5 toes. Okay, likewise a finger, we also have a 5 toes on each foot. Okay, so look at that picture of a feet. They're having on the one foot they're having 5 toes and on the second foot having 5 toes. Okay, so with the help of our feet we can run, we can walk, we can jump. So student, these are the different uses of our body parts, and our all body parts are very special. So we have to take care of our body part also. So how do you will take care of your body parts? So you have to eat healthy food to keep your body parts strong. Yes, so what you have to do, you have to drink milk every day, you have to eat leafy vegetables, you have to eat healthy food. Yes, so these food items keep your body parts or make your body parts stronger, and then you will do any work very nicely. Okay, so student, so every day you have to drink milk. Okay, and you have to eat healthy food. Don't eat pizza, then the finger chips. Okay, you have to eat vada pav, you have to eat only healthy food. When you will eat healthy food, then you will keep your body part or your body part will make very stronger, then you will do any work. Okay, so do this thing every day. Now let's see the next. Why do we have a teeth? Can you tell me why do we have a teeth? Everyone is having teeth. Why? What you are doing with your teeth? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, after eating food, see, you are eating food. Yes, after eating food, our teeth are chewing the food very nicely, very smoothly. मतलब जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो वो डायरेक्टली हमारे पेट में जाता है? No, तो हमारे जो वो टीथ है वो उसको क्या करते हैं, च्यू करते हैं. दे विल ब्रेक इनटू द स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस. मतलब जो हमारा खाना होता है या फूड होता है उसको हमारे टीथ स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस में कट करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ आवर टीथ. So teeth help us to bite and chew food. So teeth help us to bite. Bite means तोड़ना. And chew our food. Chew means small small pieces करना. Okay. So teeth help us to bite and chew our food. And food. If your food is hard, then also you can chew your food with the help of your teeth. Okay. So but how you have to take care of your teeth teeth, how you have to take care of your teeth. So every day, twice in a day, you have to brush your teeth twice in a day, in the morning and at the night. Okay, everyone you have to brush your teeth twice in a day. Twice means 2 times in a day, in the morning and at the night. Okay, then your teeth also make strong. And to keep your teeth strong, you have to drink milk every day. So it is compulsory you to drink a milk every day. Okay, so student, these are the different uses of our body parts, and all our body parts are very special to us. So you have to take care of your body parts. Now let's see the tick the correct answer. The hand, neck, knee, ear joins the head to the rest of the body. So which body part join the head and rest of the body? Neck. What is the answer? Neck. So do correct tick on the neck. Second, the knee, feet, ear, nose help us to bend legs while sitting and walking. What is the answer? Knee. And the third is teeth, tongue, neck, head help us to bite and chew food. Which body part help us to bite and chew food? Teeth. With the help of teeth, we bite and chew food. Okay. So dear students, so here we have completed our second topic, that is the uses of our body parts. So everyone have to read the topic, make the video and send to me. And the remaining part that we will see in our next video. Thank you student. Have a nice day.